Hi everyone, my name is Ratan. I'm very happy to say we are going to start the Spring Boot Microservices with React live project training. So we are starting the industry focused Spring Boot Microservices project here, and we can build the project from the scratch to deployed in the cloud platforms. This is not just the theory purpose; it's a hands-on practical course designed to make the students job ready for the full stack developer role. Already existing professional to make your job is what safe and colorful. All of you please join with us to make the Spring Boot Microservices live coding project. Once what we done with this project means learning outcome you will get by this end of this course, the students will get, our professional will get, build the complete full stack application and create the REST APIs using the Spring Boot, understand the monolithic application versus microservice architecture, develop the scalable microservices architecture, and develop the application in layered architecture. And we have the service layer, controller layer, repository layer, and test the APIs using the Postman tool and Swagger tool. And so maintain the clean project structure. So we have the folder structures and the industry standard, how many packages we should create, and understand the Spring Boot starters and embedded servers and databases. So how the Spring Boot evolution is done, the Spring Boot starters and embedded servers and what database, right? Good. Understand the dependency management and what build automation tool. We are using the Maven, right? So for that Maven and Gradle, dependency management and build automation. And learn the AI development tools, guys. See, the writing the code is not at all important. How we are making the code is very powerful when compared to others. Like we'll generate the code using Copilot, we'll use anti-gravity, you can go for the prompts and using the cursor. And you make the development very fast. Good. Build the dynamic UI using the React hooks and routing, guys. The front end will make the React hooks and what using the routing concept. Single page application will build. So maintain the global state management using Redux. Connect the front end and back end using Axios, because the back end we done with microservices, the front end we done with the React, and the front end back end is connected using what Axios. And enable and configure the CORS policy, right? Cross origin resource sharing. So we need to enable the REST APIs to what? On the front end, we enable the CORS mechanism. AOP, guys, we need to separation concern. We need to separate the business logic with cross-cutting concern like security, loggers, this all, right? And security application, guys, we need to secure application using JWT token, WAT. So we need to secure the application. Like that, guys, we'll go for the number of things. I'm highlighting only the things very important. Like that, we have the multiple concepts we are going to cover in this course. So role-based authentication, manage the database operation using Spring Data JP and Hibernate, learn the Git command and team collaborations, and push the code to the GitHub, and understand the CI/CD pipeline process, and containerize your application using the Docker. So very important, right? So the previously have the problem they are saying like the application working in my system, but the application not working in your system. So they say like your system problem, my system problem. These all the done by containerization is a solution for that using the Docker. So implement the Kafka and push the application to Docker Hub via the Docker images and Docker container, and deploy the application using what AWS cloud, right? Exactly. Hey, these are the course outcomes, guys. These are the highlighted points I'm writing here, and like that you'll get the multiple things. Got it, right? Yeah. Hey, who can join our course? See, why this course? See, guys, you'll get the real-time industry experience, gain the real-time industry experience, make the project with public URL. See, definitely you will deploy your project into the live, and you can make one public URL. That URL you can put in the resume. See, guys, build the resume with real-time projects. So I'll tell you how to build the resume and how to make the links and all. Add the GitHub project link in the resume. Prepare the full stack developer interviews. See what kind of questions they'll ask in the full stack developer, and we'll guide you in that way. And see, guys, and even we have the portal CodePulse-R. There I integrated the CodePulse-R. There we have the AI interviews and interview questions and quizzes and exams. Everything is there. Understand the modern development workflow. 100% practical, guys. Maybe you can see Ratan Sir videos. Ratan Sir is always 100% is what practical. See, guys, we have some gap is there. Now I'm entering to the industry. Please support us. Yeah, live project development, and beginner to advanced level will take care. Resume interview support, and every week we have the exam and every week with the portal, guys. We have the portal. I'll tell you the portal access and all. AI entry support with our portal, and record session support is there. You'll say the record session for that. Okay, good. Hey, who can join our course? Anyone can join, guys. Who are interested, like, to get the job, full stack developer. Students can join, freshers, working professional, anyone. Sir, I want to make my life is colorful. I want to make my life is what? Cool. Then you can join Ratan Sir course. Then I'll give the practical knowledge. With that practical knowledge in the team, you have some confidence to work with that, right? Yes or no? Yeah, that's very important. Hey, I have a slogan like, I believe only practical knowledge, but not theoretical. So within 2 months, definitely I'll make you to write the code using the tools like Copilot, anti-gravity, cursor and all, and definitely you can deploy the application into what? AWS, and we deploy the application to live servers. You can keep that URL in what? Your resume. So thank you guys. I hope I'm waiting for you guys, and you can join our course, and please share this information to your friends also. Ratan Sir is back, and Ratan Sir is going to start the project classes. Thank you, buddies. Bye.